Presenting Vivo Y33T Smartphone in midday dream. It comes in a size of 16.4 by 7.6 by 0.8 centimeters and weighs 182 grams. It is also available in mirror black. The smartphone comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. It features dual nano SIM. This phone has 6.58 inches touchscreen with Full HD Plus display and a resolution of 2408 by 1080 pixels. It is equipped with 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear cameras and 16 megapixel front camera. The phone runs on FunTouch OS 12 operating system based on Android 11 with Snapdragon 680 octa-core processor, and is powered by 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt Type-C fast charging. The box includes the smartphone, documentation, Type-C to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM eject tool, protective case and applied protective film. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page.